Hi, it's Nick Russo. I get this question quite often. Can you split a 10-page document into 5 2-page documents? So I'm going to show you an example here. Here's an 18-page document, and we're going to split it into every 2 pages or 3 pages or every 10 pages using AutoStore. And there's plenty of sample documents for playing around if you've installed the AutoStore Solution Framework. It installs under Program Files NSI AutoStore Configurator. There's a test samples and procedures folder here and an OCR test samples folder in here, or a fake customer samples in here. Our next version of the framework will actually have a lot more samples. So here's a good mortgage one here, 18 pages. So the key to this config, and I'm going to make this quick and dirty, so I'm not going to label this as professionally as I should, but just really quick here, I'm going to use AutoCapture. I use AutoCapture all the time for testing. It's a neat little tool. This component here, Professional Image Management, it does splitting. Now, a lot of our other components do splitting as well, like barcode splitting and other types of functionality, but this Professional Image Management component does a lot of what we need. So I'm going to create a new AutoCapture form called Split Test. My button name will be Submit. I'm going to configure my Professional Image Management, hit Activate, Split. I can split on empty pages. I can split on a page sequence like page 3, 7, maybe 10, which is pretty neat, especially if you drag an RRT in here. You can split from maybe a sequence that you read in, you did in VB script. That's pretty advanced though. So I'm just going to say split it on every 2 pages. Click OK. I'm going to configure my send to folder workflow. ctemp. I'm just going to say split. Rename my file. I'm just going to put a counter in there because obviously we're going to get multiple one-to-many relationships. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start this config up. And let's put these two. I was testing this before. Okay, so let's right-click on here, send to split test, and a few seconds later, whoops, we should see the documents pop in here. Here we go. So I did every 2 pages, so we have on here a whole bunch of 2-page documents. So it's really just that simple. And let's go back in here. Now I think it will also work on PDFs in AutoStore 6. You can go into the help menu and read about that. In the help menu, it'll probably say that what restrictions there are and what will work, what won't. Getting started, any sort of restrictions. So only black and white images, but I think it will support all these formats, and PDF is in here as well. So I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. All right, so let's do this. Let's create a variable in here called split number, and so we can play around with it. So let's default it to every 3 pages. And so when we do tests, we can just toggle that RRT. So I'm going to place an RRT in here as to what I want that split to be. So it's going to be a variable-based split. Now that capability to very easily change your workflow, like I just showed you, is an actual NSI patent to change workflows on the fly using RRT type of data. All right, so I'm going to right-click, send to split test, and every 3 pages. See that go through. Yep. So 3 times 6 is 18. Let's do it again. Send to split test. Let's just do it on every 10 pages. So we should have a 1-page document 1 through 10 and another page document 11 through 18. Yep. So you can see how fast that was. And I can open this up. Yep. First page 1 through 10. First document 1 through 10. Second document 1 through 8. And it's just that simple. So I hope this helps.